If you're looking for a good 75% starter kit for your mechanical keyboard build, the Idobao ID80 hot swappable kit is just for you. The Idobao ID80 surprised me with its above expectations performance. If you're looking for a budget aluminum case, this might fit your needs. For a price of $140 USD, this kit comes with a 75% form factor and USB Type-C interface. The cable is only 115 centimeters, or just under 4 feet, which was too short for me, so I had to use a longer cable. This kit is hot swappable, which makes for an easier build without soldering. For the switches, I went with the novel key creams and lubed the housing with Krytox 205GO and the springs with Krytox 105GO. As for the stabilizers, I used the Durock V2 stabilizers instead of ones that came with the kit because I wanted a higher quality feel. I modded the Durox with Permatex and Krytox. Lastly, for the keycaps, I went with the ABS double shot Tai-Hao ones. Overall, my only complaint is that the cable is too short. Otherwise, the finished build performs well, it's sturdy and weighs about 2 pounds. It also feels and sounds great. I don't hear any unwanted sounds or reverb when I'm typing, which seems to be an issue with other kits.